Hi makers! Today we're making an easy ribbon lei. I'm making this one in high school colors for a volleyball senior night, but I have used this lei for almost every occasion, like graduations, baptisms, baby showers, and even weddings. We have all types of lei tutorials coming your way. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. The supplies I need for this lei are needle, thread, and ribbon. I like to use these longer needles. I got this one from Hobby Lobby, and I will link some similar ones as well. You can use any kind of thread. Let's talk about ribbon. You need about 100 yards of satin ribbon to make this lei. I used a 1/4 inch width. You can find ribbon at your local craft store. Make sure that you check the length. Each of these spools has a different number of yards. The most affordable ribbon is going to be on Amazon. You can find these 50 or 100 yard spools for under $10. I'll link some in the description box. If you are using multiple colors, determine the pattern you will use for your lei. You can use as many colors as you like, or even do a solid lei with one color. You can create a repeating pattern like I'm using for this lei, or group colors together and do bigger blocks of color. I am going to measure the thread around my neck to determine the size I want my lei to be, and leave some extra to tie it off at the end. I'm also going to double my thread and then tie it at the end in a knot. I'm going to take a Sharpie and mark a small dot on my ribbon every 2 inches. I am poking my needle through each dot that I made to create these loops. Every now and then you may need to change the direction of the loops so that it forms around the needle evenly. Another method is you can mark your needle about 2 inches down. Use this mark to measure the ribbon instead of marking it beforehand. You may have to reapply the Sharpie as you make the lei because sewing on the ribbon will rub it off. You can also sew the ribbon without marking it and just eyeball the length. I've used all 3 methods, and my preference is to mark the ribbon ahead of time. It takes longer, but it will give you the best finished lei. As you finish each spool of ribbon, push it down to the end of your thread. After sewing on all of your ribbon, tie off the 2 ends of your thread. Then you will fluff out your ribbon until all of your thread is covered. There you have a beautiful, easy, and affordable lei. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.